And the final touch.
Wow, Roger, what a cool drawing.
Thanks, Sam. I'm thinking about a new craft. Sam, bring them up, please.
Are you kidding me? We have a ghost in the house.
Sammy, that's nonsense. Which ghosts? You knocked this glass down.
Roger, don't you know that every house has its own ghost?
That's ridiculous.
No, it is not. You'll see for yourself when you build a house. You'll have ghosts there in no time.
Challenge accepted. Hi guys! Today we'll build a house that will become a perfect home for ghosts. But if we don't get any ghost, Sam will get in trouble. I love to blow Sam's wild theories.
Actually, the CEO of Ghostbusters can't talk so carefree about wild theories.
Let's see how qualified you are.
First of all, a ghost won't come into a house with a green lawn like this.
Okay, we'll fix it now.
Huh, that's better.
Guys, Sue already assembled a sweet lavender house like this. Do you remember? I really liked it. Well, I'll try to make a perfect ghost house from this second set. A creepy one, but very beautiful. When Sam sees it, he'll be shocked. Let me know later which house you liked the most.
I'll help you. There are lots of conditions for the ghosts to move into a house.
Sam, don't you think that your ghosts are too picky? We'll decorate this area with stones that I made out of clay.
Hush, Roger! I hope that the ghost didn't hear you. Oh!
I don't care about your ghosts. If they're going to be too fussy, I'll just kick them out of the house.
Firstly, Roger, where are your manners? Oh! And secondly, all the ghost's typical features are described in our Ghostbusters guide.
Sounds serious.
Don't worry. I'll tell you everything I know about ghosts. Oh, oh, oh!
Sure you will, Sammy. The stone decoration of the lawn is done. Let's continue. Our ghost experts said that they don't like the new floors. That's why we'll try to antiquate them.
Great, Roger. I approve the floor. Now, let's take care of the walls. Oh, by the way, I already drew the wooden boards on them.
Great job, Sam. Fresh paint does look beautiful. But there is some sort of charm in shabby houses. Here, we'll install a lamp. And now it's time to decorate our walls.
Roger?
Right, Sam. Ghosts don't like perfect wallpapers.
Awesome, Roger. You learn fast.
You're a great teacher, Sam. Even though ghosts can pass through the walls, we still can't do without windows. Guys, be very careful working with sharp tools. Actually, Sam may sound very persuasive, but I still don't believe in ghosts.
Roger, don't make me mad. So what do you say about the white spots that always appear in photos? It's defo ghosts that just want to be in pictures as well.
Oh, Sammy! It's just because of dust or insects in the lens. Better check out this cool wall that I made.
Yep, Roger. Your wall is almost as perfect as mine.
Oh, that's the best compliment. Guys, this lamp will work thanks to these wires that we'll attach to these batteries. Now let's set the walls. And for the walls to look neat, we'll place the batteries in a special place. Be careful when working with wires. Alright, it's time to arrange the furniture. We'll start with the kitchen.
Roger, did I praise you for nothing? Oh.
Sam!
We need some ghost-style furniture.
Well, you're the ghost expert here, not me.
Here, look! I made a ghost-style couch.
Very unusual. Sammy, can you give me a couple of hints of what your ghost style is?
Easy peasy. First, it's elegance. Ghosts don't like fancy stuff or bright colors.
Actually, bright colors are trending now. But okay, so what else?
Second, it's minimalism. Ghosts appreciate the beauty of simple shapes.
Minimalism is top-notch now.
Third, it's the noble old-fashioned. Ghosts are proud of their age.
So you just made this kitchen cupboard old?
I decorated it in the noble old-fashioned way.
Generally, it looks interesting. I guess ghosts won't say no to a coffee table.
Huh. It really matches the interior. Approved!
Now we'll get to the first floor. We need to fix the chandelier, since the floor of the first floor is also the ceiling of the ground floor.
Roger! Do you feel this cold wind? I guess the ghosts have already come. Oh.
Sam, I just forgot to turn off the air conditioner.
17 degrees! Roger!
Sam, calm down.
Fine.
So, I set 2 chandeliers and glued the floor. There we go. Our house can be super ghostly, but it can't stand without some pillars. And another one. We'll do the same thing on the other side. There we go. Perfect. Guys, have you ever seen ghosts? Are they really that picky?
Roger, not picky, but demanding when it comes to style.
Like this. Sammy, how do you like this noble old-fashioned style?
Acceptable.
I think it's a perfect old fence. Here comes the last detail. And now we'll take care of first floor.
Roger, did you know that cats can see ghosts? I noticed our Fluffy staring at one spot without even blinking.
Maybe he's meditating.
Huh. I didn't think about that. Roger, you didn't think this through. How will ghosts enter the house?
Well, I thought they can fly. But every ghost will definitely want to check out this stairway.
Roger, I need a door that will fit our house perfectly.
I'm sure ghosts will appreciate our haunted-style house.
Of course they will. Ghosts are very sophisticated. They only like beautiful things.
Since our ghosts are aesthetes, let's add more decor. Our ghosts can read their ghost magazines on this bench. I wonder if they have their own National Geographic.
Roger, our house looks empty. Let's have more of a special atmosphere.
This floor lamp will help us. Perfect.
It would also help add some ghost-style light. It's coming out good. Oh, what's this, ghost? Oh, guys, did you hear that too?
Sammy, you'll be shocked.
Wow. Yeah, ghosts are cool.
Well, time to bring our Sam back.
I get carried away.
We need to hide our musical mechanism.
Oh, that music enchanted me. Oh, this fence fits in really well.
And a little raspy armchair as well. Sammy, do ghosts sleep at all?
During the course, they told us that...
Listen, do ghosts wash? Would it be weird if not?
Well, in theory, they defo...
And what do they do for fun? Do they throw ghost parties?
Roger, stop! When a ghost comes, ask it directly.
There's no house without a roof. Sammy, your ghost will defo like it. I guess it matches all your requirements.
I forgot one more thing.
Let me guess. Ghosts like old pictures?
This refers to the old-fashioned thing. Point number 4 says that ghosts are fond of the Gothic style.
Sue told me about it some time ago. Gothic style is all about dark colors and sharp edges.
Huh, that's very high-quality work. Roger, you did great.
Thanks. I hope the ghost likes it too. At least it could show up. Talking about the third point, here's some noble old-fashioned styles. There should be lots of plants in a haunted house, since no one takes care of them. Plants grow like everywhere.
Roger, speaking hypothetically...
Yes, Sammy?
Well, I mean, what if the ghost doesn't show up in the end? What then?
Then I'll have to work hard on my jokes about your crazy theories.
Oopsie! Our house came out too cool! What if ghosts never show up? Then Roger will be making fun of me all the time! I guess I should summon a ghost in advance.
Sammy, don't summon it too early. Otherwise, you'll have to pay for the waiting.
But it's not a taxi, it can wait. Roger, I just want you to train a little. By the way, there was a new pink car out there. Look what I did.
Wow, Sam, you're a real ghost rider. Let's make our car look even more spooky.
What is your idea?
To make it look like the car was out here for a while and got covered with leaves and stuff.
Oh, I like the way you think.
And I really like the broken headlights and window, Sam. Very creative. You're our master decorator. Done! This car perfectly matches the style of our house. So, guys, our stylish mystery house is ready. Now we're just waiting for ghosts. Hop, hop, hop. Sammy, when are your ghosts coming? I've got stuff to do. I still need to come up with jokes about your faith in non-existing ghosts.
Ooh, who's non-existing here?
Oh, Sir Ghost. Nice to meet you. It's a pity that ghosts don't eat. Otherwise, I'd treat you to delicious Nutella.
What? We ghosts do eat, and we love Nutella!
Did you want to say we slimes?
Oopsie! I should have summoned a ghost in advance.
Oh, Sammy. I told you that ghosts don't exist. Guys, if you liked our craft, give a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and see you soon in our next videos.
And hit the bell button to get all the notifications. Right, Roger? Roger? That's weird. Bye-bye.